Hello and welcome to our channel zeeglobalvision Services. Today we have a fascinating topic to discuss: the future trajectory of China as a potential world power. As China's influence continues to grow on the global stage, it's important to examine the factors behind its rise and explore the potential implications for the world order. So, let's delve into this intriguing subject. Before we proceed, I want to emphasize that the information shared in this video is based on extensive research and credible sources. We encourage you to review the references provided below for a deeper understanding of the topic. China's ascent as a potential world power can be attributed to several key factors. Let's take a closer look at these factors that have contributed to its growth and influence. China's rapid economic expansion over the past few decades has positioned it as the second largest economy globally. Its focus on infrastructure development, manufacturing capabilities, and domestic consumption has been instrumental in driving its economic progress. China's investments in research and development, particularly in areas such as artificial intelligence, 5G technology, and renewable energy, have positioned it as a technological leader. This technological prowess has the potential to reshape industries and global innovation. China's Belt and Road Initiative, an ambitious infrastructure project spanning multiple countries, showcases its desire to enhance its geopolitical influence and establish stronger economic ties across regions. This initiative has the potential to reshape trade routes and connectivity on a global scale. Now, let's explore the potential implications of China's rise as a world power. China's growing economic, military, and technological capabilities are challenging the existing world order dominated by the United States. This shift in power dynamics has implications for geopolitical relationships, global governance, and strategic alliances. China's increasing economic clout gives it the ability to shape global trade, investment, and financial systems. Its market size and potential for consumption create opportunities for businesses around the world, while also raising concerns about market access and intellectual property rights. China's territorial ambitions, particularly in the South China Sea, have raised tensions with neighboring countries and sparked concerns about regional stability. The resolution of these territorial disputes will have significant implications for peace and security in the region. Looking ahead, it's important to closely monitor China's actions and their impact on global affairs. The trajectory of its economic, technological, and military advancements will shape the future of international relations. In conclusion, China's ascent as a potential world power is a topic of great significance. Its economic growth, technological advancements, and geopolitical ambitions have profound implications for the global community. By staying informed, engaging in constructive discussions, and fostering international cooperation, we can navigate this changing landscape together.